Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to hide location on Snapchat. To hide your location on Snapchat's Snap app, so open Snapchat, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right. Now scroll down to privacy controls. Then under privacy controls, select see my location. Now if you see ghost mode, so turn on ghost mode, toggle it on just like so. So once you click that, next is to choose how long you want ghost mode enabled. You have 3 hours, 24 hours, or until turned off. So choose what you prefer. So when ghost mode is on, your location won't be visible to friends on Snap app. You can also choose to share your location with only specific friends or all friends except selected friends. If you want to stop Snapchat from accessing your location entirely, you can go to your settings. On settings, scroll down to privacy and security. So open that and at the top, select location services. Then scroll down and look for Snapchat and select never. And that's it. So this prevents Snapchat from tracking your location at all, not just displaying it on Snap app. And that's it. Thank you for watching.